Good morning. Day 5 of True Nature, our spiritual practice together. So the last few mornings we have been looking at presence, coming into presence, and looking at tools and techniques of using our breath to help us to do that and to help expand and become in tune with our awareness. So today we're going to focus on the breath and the waves of the breath from beginning, middle and end. So we'll continue to bring careful attention and a curiosity to our breath, the way we breathe, and how we can use the powerful tool that is our breath. So just to remind ourselves that our breath is our anchor in this practice. It's the home, it's the place for our presence. So let's begin, and as always, if you just sit in a comfortable position, sit upright, as straight as possible, relaxed but alert. And if you're sitting on a chair, to have both feet on the ground, and if for any reason you can't sit up, you can lie down. Just make sure your body is at ease. Just shake off anything you might need to. Settle yourself in this moment. You're here. Sense yourself pausing once again for your practice, and just allow yourself to relax and be at ease. Relax your body. Notice where it's in contact with the ground. Notice that your body has you. It's nice and relaxed. It's your container. And bring your relaxing presence to your breath. And just take 2 deep breaths to come into your stillness. If you need to sigh as you exhale, then do so. Bring you closer to your stillness. So you're establishing your simple sense of presence in this moment, on this Saturday morning, or evening or afternoon, whenever you may be doing this. And as we have been doing the last couple of days, just bring your breathing to its own natural rhythm, however you usually breathe. And focus your awareness on where you feel your breath the most. So this might be your nostrils. You might feel the sensations of warmth or vibration or tingling or coolness. If it's in your belly or your chest that you sense your breath the most, then you might feel movement, rising, falling, stretching, releasing. You don't need to name the sensations, just feel them. And if it helps to count your breaths, every 3 breaths or every 6 breaths, then do this. Stabilize your focus and just notice the sensations. The sensations are what are important. How your breath feels. If thoughts or images or sounds come to mind, let them float by. Don't follow them or challenge them. Your breath is your anchor. Let those thoughts float by like the dandelion seed heads against the backdrop of the blue sky. Just let them float, bobbing past you. See now if you can maybe catch and become aware of the very beginning of the in-breath and the end of it, and the very beginning of the out-breath and the end of it. Just track the long middle into the fade in at the end and follow each rhythm as it appears and disappears. Don't try to control your breath. Whilst doing this, just keep it relaxed and steady and simple. Just try and catch the beginning of each breath, in-breath, the end of each in-breath, the beginning of each out-breath, and the end of each out-breath. Just become aware of your rhythm and flow of breathing. Okay. When you feel ready, you can gently, softly open your eyes. So as you go through your day, just remind yourself and know that you're learning the steady art of breathing. Thank you. And we'll see you or be with you tomorrow.